Hi, I'm Komal, Project Manager at Intelimo. One of our clients recently launched a new product. While creating a marketing strategy for the same, we realized how everyone tries to target audience based on interest, demographics, or behavior. But what about people who have already interacted with your business? These are some of the high intent audiences and must not be skipped. Facebook allows you to target exactly these kind of people using custom audiences. And there are different ways through which you can do the same. Let's see how. So once you've opened your ads manager, you can click on business tools right here and then select audiences. So to create a custom audience, you can click on create audience and then select custom audience. Just as you place your mouse over it, you'll see a small description of custom audience that will appear on your screen. So these are the different options using which you can create your custom audience. You can either use your own source such as a website, customer list, offline activity or app activity, or use Facebook sources which are mentioned right here. So let's say if you have to use website for creating a custom audience, then it's important that your website already has pixels using which your audience can be created. If you want to target your website visitors, you can select the same here and specify the number of days. Whether you want to target website visitors from past 30 days, 60 days, 90 days or so on. So once you have specified the same, you can give a name to your audience. Let's say visitors 60 days and click on create audience. Similarly, if you would like to target people who have visited specific web pages, then you can do the same from here. If you have set events on your website such as add to cart, purchase, then you can also create your audience on basis of that. Let's say here I can target all my leads in the past 60 days and I'll name my audience accordingly and click on create audience and my audience will be created. Similarly, if I have to create a custom audience using customer list, then I can do the same by clicking right here. Here is a list of identifiers that your customer list should include. If you wish, you can also download a list template so that you can get a clear idea of what all things should be there in a customer list. You can have at least one main identifier such as an email, and if you want, then you can also add more identifiers to it. So having a customer list with just email or phone number will also suffice. Now I'll click on next. Does your list include a column for customer value? If you have a list which has a column for the same, you can click on yes, otherwise you can proceed ahead with no and click on next. Now the file which you have created, so I'll take my file and I'll drop it right here. Then I can click on next. So here the data will be mapped automatically, and if there's any error in your list, the same will be shown here. After that, you can click on upload and create. I'll click on done, and as you can see, my custom audience has been created.
So this was all you needed to know regarding custom audiences in Facebook. If you still face any issue, then you can sign up on Intelimo and launch marketing campaigns easily with our ready-made ad stock. Link for the same is in the description below. For more such videos, like, share, comment and subscribe.